What's up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? How's everything? It's been a while since I uploaded anything for you guys, but YouTube don't pay my bills. But yeah, right now I'm in the airport, and yeah, I'm going to close another deal. I mean, you saw from the title what this is all about. So you know, headed to Cincinnati right now from Atlanta, and you know, just taking these deals outside of town to other areas. So yeah, you know, got some nice artifacts or whatever the case may be here in ATL, getting some morning exercise in, you know, instead of taking an air train, just kind of walking it, because it's healthy, you know, it's good. Get that morning workout in before closing a big deal. But yeah, walking to my terminal. I have to go, you know, take a seat and, you know, see this place for the first time today, actually, because I haven't actually seen it since I actually did the whole deal. So it's gonna be the first time today. I'm gonna be doing a walkthrough or whatever. But when I get there, I'm gonna show you guys more, you know, what's going on. You know, show you guys what it looks like. You're gonna see it for the first time. Same way I'm gonna see it for the first time, so that's gonna be pretty interesting. But yeah, man, this is a good walk. Alright guys, so just made it, finally made it to Ohio, and man, it was a quick flight, but you know, I got some nice little exercise in earlier this morning. I told you guys that I walked all the terminals in Atlanta, and you know, a little fun fact, all those terminals is about what is it? It was about 2 miles. I mean, it was about 2 miles in total for the 5 terminals that I walked through. So, you know, that was an early morning exercise. So, you know, make sure that you do get your exercise in. Get it in, you know, every day, one way or the other, because no matter what you're doing, you know, your health is more important than anything. So, you know, do your deals, do your job, whatever it is, and make sure you get your health in, you know, take care of your health and get some of that exercise in. But yeah, I'm about to meet up with my partner, and we're gonna, you know, take that ride, which is not a long ride, to the property, and show you guys that, because I'm really excited about that. So, you know, let's get it. Here comes my Uber. It's a pretty nice Uber. Look at this, like fancy. Like a whole fancy Range Rover. Ooh, the sky's shining.
Yo.
Hey, what's up, man?
Welcome to Cincinnati.
Oh man, it's a fancy car you got here.
Hop on this, your Uber.
Oh man.
What up?
Ain't not much. I finally made it here.
Yo, man, welcome back. Should have moved here in the first place.
Nah, man, you can't move here. You hear this? This guy says I should have moved to Cincinnati.
100%.
It's all good, but welcome to my partner. Meet my partner, guys. You know,
Nice to
a
meet you
partner
guys.
for at least 16 years now. We go way back to that that Superleggera you saw in my garage. That's this guy's car. Yeah. So when I got my first Porsche, this guy's already on a Lamborghini Superleggera. So. But that's the kind of friends that you hang out with, though, you know? You'll go places. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you guys when we get to this property, which is, how long is it from here?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Look at that. It's 20 minutes from that international airport, which is awesome. So, see you guys there. So, about to hit the round table, you know, and close on this new building, and you know, get the keys, and then I'll show you guys around, you know, show you guys what it looks like and everything else. But yeah, it's exciting. It's always exciting closing day. Guys, well, there it is. That's the building. Duplex, 2-unit. Come up, you know, that's the neighborhood. Right in this little cul-de-sac, which is perfect. So yeah, let's go inside. Got them keys, you know, got them keys. So walk in, got the door to the right. This is the first floor unit. Walk in, this is the living room area, which is, you know, pretty nice. It's already got some carpeting, pretty good carpet. Front door. Come around here to the right, got some hardwood floors, which is great. You know, this is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, which is kind of like the master, because this one has the bigger closet. That one has a bigger closet in there. That's the backyard. Nice windows. Nice window panes too, which is pretty good. Newer windows, that's excellent. Come around this side, got a little closet here. You can use this for linen or whatever. Hardwood floors, once again. Bathroom, got your shower. Nice little toilet. Vanity. What's up? But yeah, you know, tile. Nothing needs to be done there. This is the kitchen. Got some laminate on the floor. So, you know, it's old style, but it's all right. A little range. Got a stove. Got the sink over there. Fridge is right there. So that's the hallway. So yeah, you know, that's perfect. This is the second bedroom. It's a 2-bedroom unit. And upstairs is identical. Come over here. This got a little closet. It's got a real little closet. So that's why I said this is probably that'll probably be like this is a, you know, second bedroom. Come through, you know, got like these vertical blinds. It's already here. This is the front. That's through the front. Come around this side. Got the back door. And yeah, it's the backyard. It's the backyard. Nice little backyard. Come out this way. Go down the steps. I'm gonna show you guys the basement from downstairs. I mean, from upstairs. Nice little backyard area. This is the back portion of the house. Chimney, all brick, 4-sided brick, which is a big plus. Got some newer AC. Got newer AC units. It's that brick all the way around. This was the, really the selling point was the brick. All brick. Gonna have to do a little bit of work to that garage door, but that's light. All brick. Ugh. Got the whole parking space there. Parking. So then when we back through the front, you go basically upstairs to the tenants, but like I said, there's tenants up there, so I'm not gonna go up there. This is the door when you first come in to go down to the basement. Come down to the basement, and you got, like I said, it's newer AC units for both units. Got the hot water heaters back there, fairly new. A little wash center right here, but no access for these guys down here yet. And this is just the basement area. It's a cleared out, nice basement. Like, that's what I love about this house. Like, you could actually turn this into, some sort of unit. If anything, come through this door, and this is the garage. So this is the garage. Turn that light on. This is the garage. Which, what I love about it, there's no water stains, so water is not, coming up in this garage. Electrical, all intact. Very well done. I am going to change this garage door. We're going to do this garage door for sure, because as you can see, it's like off the track there. So I'm going to get a new garage door at some point, and probably actually even rent out this garage space to one of the tenants, because it's empty, it's clean. Somebody could make use of it, and we can make some more money off of it. But yeah, let's go back upstairs. Alright guys, so here I am with my partner, and this is our unit. Like, we bought this 2-unit building. We just collaborated, and we said, alright, it's time that we expand our portfolios, and this is just the beginning for this particular house. Anything you want to tell her?
The first of many in this side of town. He's already took over his region, so we're trying to do something here.
Yep.
So more businesses, more ventures.
That's it, guys. That's it. Like you said, more businesses, more ventures, more homes, more flipping, more investments. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta put your money into areas where your money can grow, and that's what we're doing here. Young entrepreneurs. It's just the beginning. You know what I mean? I keep saying it's just the beginning every time I do another venture, but I'm ready to do business with any and everybody who is ready to put that foot forward. And as you see, this is an amazing unit. It didn't take us much. You actually found the property.
Correct.
Yeah, he found the property. I overlooked it for like, I don't know, probably like a week.
Yeah.
Or something like that. I overlooked it because I was busy in Georgia looking at properties. But then it just happened that it just popped back on the radar, and I said, you know what, let's look into this house. We gave a killer offer, and we had, you know, a little feisty little realtor that actually
She did her thing.
Yeah, she definitely did her
She's
thing.
definitely a pit bull. But listen, at the end of the day, you know, Kobe and Shaq, and you alley-oop, and it's either one, but you get it done and try. That's all I gotta say. Definitely look into the process of anything you want to do and see what the steps are, because once you break it down into a micro, it's not hard. A lot of people make things into a macro and it becomes difficult. So just look at the steps and you'll realize how easy things are.
100%, 100%. So, you know, one last thing though, guys, just to let you guys know how much gravy is in this deal so far. I did the numbers, and we are actually 14%. We have 14% equity in this house already, which is amazing.
Yeah, running already.
Yeah, exactly. So we're out the gate running, you know, with 14% equity, and that doesn't include our monthly rent roll that we are going to be creating actually right after this video, because that is something we need to get going. But you know, this was an awesome deal. But guys, listen, I hope you like this deal. I hope you like the movements. I hope you like the growth, you know, just the investment and the whole process. And listen, you know, drop a comment below if you feel like this is something maybe you've been thinking about, but you've been hesitant and you're not really sure. Like, we help people. You know what I mean?
Any advice, any consulting, even if you want to put your money into the property and you want to put it into one of our 2 regions, we can help you with that, and we could hopefully manage it. You know, if we decide to jump into the property management business, which it seems like that's one of the next avenues.
Yep.
We will take care of you.
Yep. So, I mean, you heard it, guys. So, listen, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and just keep on scaling up.
And share it. Make sure you share it.
Exactly.